Hello and welcome. In this video, we are discussing about design pattern in Java. So factory method pattern. So a factory pattern or factory method pattern says that just define an interface or abstract class for creating an object, but let the subclasses decide which class to instantiate. In other words, subclasses are responsible to create the instance of the class. The factory method pattern is also known as virtual constructor. So advantage of factory design pattern. So factory method pattern allows the subclasses to choose the type of objects to create. It promotes loose coupling by eliminating the need to bind application-specific classes into the code. That means the code interacts solely with the resultant interface or abstract class, so that it will work with any classes that implement that interface or that extends that abstract class. Usage of factory design pattern. When a class doesn't know what subclasses will be required to create. When a class wants that its subclasses specify the objects to be created. When the parent class chooses the creation of objects to its subclasses. UML or factory method pattern. So we are going to create a plan abstract class and a concrete classes that extends the plan abstract class. A factory class getPlanFactory is defined as next step. GenerateBuild class will use getPlanFactory to get a plan object, and it will pass information domestic plan or commercial plan or institutional plan to getPlanFactory to get the type of object it needs. So calculate electricity bill, a real world example of factory method. Plan, domestic plan, commercial plan, institutional plan. Generate bill, getPlanFactory. For step 1, create a plan class. Step 2, create the concrete classes that extends the plan abstract class. Step 3, create a getPlanFactory to generate object of concrete classes based on given information. Step 4, generate bill by using getPlanFactory to get the object of concrete classes by passing an information such as type of plan, domestic plan or commercial plan or institutional plan. Then the output. So this was a brief discussion on design pattern, factory pattern. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now.